Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add someone to your Telegram group chat using the Telegram web app on your PC. The process is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official *Telegram web page. Log in to your Telegram account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group chat where you want to add someone. Just make sure you're an admin in that group, because only admins have permission to add new members. If you're not an admin, you won't be able to make any changes to the group. Now that you're inside the group, look to the top right corner of the chat window. You should see 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, select Edit. This will open up the group settings where you can manage everything about your group. Next, you'll need to click on the Members option. This section shows you a list of everyone who's currently in the group. Now, look for the Add Users icon. It should be a small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign next to it. Click on that icon and a search bar will pop up, allowing you to search for the user you want to add to the group. Type in the name or username of the person you want to invite, and once you find them, click on their name. After selecting the user, simply click Add Trochs, and that person will be added to your group right away, and that's it. You've successfully added someone to your Telegram web group chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides and updates on Telegram and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.